and shit. What the fuck wrong? That shit ain't right. You ain't supposed to suck no dick after breakfast. That shit ain't right. I sure got a taste for a dick. God gonna choke the shit out your ass. Keep sucking the goddamn dick. And women bumping pussies now. I don't know what the fuck is going on with that. Women like more pussy than me. That shit making me feel so unnecessary. Just rubbing, just starting fires. Type of shit is this? Don't make no motherfucking sense. My cousin a lesbian. I knew, you can tell motherfucker gonna be who they gonna be when they little. You knew Michael on Good Time was a fag when he was singing in that contest. When you're young, I said, that motherfucker a fag. He gonna be a sissy. Did you say it? When he did that shit, I said he gonna be a sissy. Some of them a bitch. Sissies like me, man. I ain't mad at sissies, but one was flirt with me on the motherfucking plane. What type of shit is this? Are you comfortable? You goddamn right I'm comfortable. I'm in my seat. You in your motherfucking seat, so I'm comfortable. You like grapes? Not your motherfucking grapes. Get you. Can't stand no homosexual. My wife cousin homosexual. He stay with us. He ain't no problem. He ain't no problem. But every time the doorbell ring, he want to come down and answer. I guess the sound of ding dong do something to this motherfucker. Ding dong, that motherfucker come. He want no shaking motherfucker. Some of them bitch. I just tell like it is. I'm tired of begging, mother. You tired of motherfucker begging? Hit me out, hook me up, look out for me. Loan me a quarter, motherfucker, fuck you, Motherfucker came to me the other day, man. I'm hungry, motherfucker, man. Can you help me out? I said, help you do what? He said, I ain't ate in 3 weeks. I said, don't worry about it. It still tastes the same. Don't worry about it. You won't eat tonight, motherfucker. You won't eat tonight. Man, let me be president. I'll be the evil son bitch president you ever seen in your motherfucking life. Good morning, motherfucker America. Good morning. Welfare, some of my bitches, I'm cutting your punk ass off. Begging me all the goddamn time. I'm tired of it. Man. I'm tired of church, tired of funerals. Funerals make me sick. Black funerals make me fucking sick. Because they're full of shit. White funerals don't go through no bullshit. Black funerals, we go through pure hell. 3 days of watching a dead motherfucker. White people are half an hour, they close the coffin on your ass. White funerals, man, it just be bright white sheet, the coffin be sitting up there, be the organ. Oh, Heavenly Father, oh Lord. Should be over with. I should be 3 fucking days. The funeral parlor be dark than the summer, bitch. Soon as he die, we gotta take some clothes down to this motherfucker like he going out. Take this down to your uncle, see if it fit him. Who gonna give a fuck? Who gonna notice who fit this motherfucker? If the arm is up here, who gonna give a fuck? Close the coffin on that son of a bitch. Then you gotta sit there. Black folks so love funerals because they want to hear you explain how the motherfucker died. Those motherfuckers, they want you to keep telling how you find them. Girl, I was rolling my hair and I heard a thump. I came downstairs and he was laying up there. I knew he was dead. That's when I called 11-9. I said, hurry up and come get this motherfucker. He was dead because I was rolling my hair and I heard a thump. And I knew he was dead. He was laying up there. And they always got a rebuttal. You came down there when you heard him fall, I heard a thump. That's probably when he was calling for help. He had a heart attack then, didn't he? Lord, at least she gone now. And black folks always got some stupid shit to say when a motherfucker died. He died in his sleep. He ain't feel nothing. How the fuck you know what the fuck he felt? Like you done died in your sleep a couple of times. Stupid bitch. Motherfucker, then they say, he sure look good. You's a motherfucking liar. And a dead son bitch that ever look good to me. Who the fuck you looking at? Then they'll say he don't look like himself. He ain't supposed to look like his goddamn self. Hold your breath and see how the fuck you... Stupid son of a... I can't stand a dumb motherfucker, man. I swear I can't, man. Me and dumb people just don't get along, man. Black funeral full of shit. Then you gotta come there, man, sit in that son bitch, man. I swear for the Lord, when you be at the black funeral, don't look like that motherfucker be breathing sometimes. All you see is the head sticking out that coffin. And I swear sometimes you see some shit like this here. I mean, that motherfucker breathing, man. I told my brother, I said, man, me and my brother doing like this, watching that motherfucker. That motherfucker breathing, man. I went up to the coffin. They always want to make you go up there and see. When they always get the line, the wait. Everybody got to walk up. There's always one motherfucker can't take it. And that bitch will get halfway to the coffin, then gonna have a fit. What the fuck you doing here if you can't take